so I'm Bill. I work for YBC Installed Sales, and this project is we're gutting and remodeling the kitchen. Yesterday the cabinets came out. Today took the rest of the soffits out, and we're going to demo this floor and prep it for vinyl plank.
Hi, I'm Don with Installed Sales. We're putting new diamond canvas in here. After we get the canvas done, then we're going to finish the drywall, do some painting, and we got LVT flooring stuff that needs to go in yet. Kind of waiting for quartz countertops.
Hi, I'm Jeremy with YBC Installs. We're back down at the kitchen here. Yesterday we got all the painting done. We got the island set, and today we're moving on to getting all the flooring down. LVT flooring, so it goes together pretty quick.
We finished up the floor today, hung the microwave, put the stove in, and now I'm working on framing up framework for the table. We still have a little bit of drywall work to do and put a second coat of paint on. Other than that, we'll come right along. Don here again with Installed Sales. Classic Rock has come to deliver and install the new countertops. We're finishing up the job. We finished installing the baseboard, hooked up the sink, the dishwasher, put some lights in. We got new countertops, Cambria quartz, and Windermere polish. We finished up crown molding around the tops too. Cut.
All right.